most of the time I come out here by myself and launch the boat by myself. I want to show you a little cool trick. I'm sure you have something similar or even better, but here's mine, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. I'm ready to go back. I already unstrapped everything, put the plug. So I throw all this in the bed of the truck, and the other end, one is here with a clip. The other end, I'm going to put it anywhere here, but I like to put it around here because I feel comfortable there. Anyways, so there you go. Now I'm just gonna let it feed off and let the boat go that way. Okay, now I go straight back. It's in the water. Let it go. And off the trailer, move forward. As you can see, I'm pushing the boat towards the bank. Now, if you have concrete, you want to be careful. You don't want to slam into it with the bottom of the boat, but you see it's hanging on. Just unhook it and you're done. And that's how you do it. And like a parachute, make sure your rope's not ripped, because then that thing will end up over there in the open.